What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm back from my trip, and today I'm merging a pull request that was created by I don't remember who, but it's been a long time. I shouldn't have done this, but actually, the original pull request is I closed it, and that was a mistake. Hold on, where is it? I think this is the one. Yeah, this guy created a PR for running applications right now. We can debug Java applications. However, if you want to just run the application, then you cannot do that. I was surprised, kind of, because I used DAP for running tests, but when I, run the test, I can pick between debugging and running. However, if I want to run the application, then I can't do that. I passed the same attributes that I'm supposed to pass for tests if I'm running the test. I think it was run only, uh, something like that, a property like that. Even though I'm passing that, I cannot um, run the application without debugging. So this guy created a PR. Basically, we are not going through DAP. Instead, we are getting the class paths using JDTLS APIs and running the application manually without going through DAP. I'm a little sick, but I made some changes. Actually, I wanted to make some changes. So since I don't have, actually, I don't know if I can. Hold on. Yeah. So he has taken a fork, right? Yeah. And I did not have access to his branch when you create a pull request to another branch. Sorry, not a branch, another repository. You can give access to the author of the repository to make some changes. In this case, um, he has not given the access, so I cannot push the changes I wanted. That's why I closed the PR. However, I made the changes and pushed it to my own branch, and turned out I screwed up a lot of tests in the process. So today I'm going to try to actually don't have time to figure out what went wrong. However, at the same time, I'm curious what happened. So I'm going to spend like 30 minutes on trying to figure out what went wrong. If that's not going to work out, then I'm going to just merge what he has done, but um, with some minor changes. All right. Where do we start? Am I recording? Yep. All right. So first of all, let me just uh, reset all my changes and nvim-java. This is the first one. Do we have any changes? We do, but okay, hold on. So this file basically loads, for example, types from these directories. I'm gonna need that, but I don't need things inside .local share. I only need my own plugin. So let's open this up and wait, what is it? URC JSON, and let's get rid of all these. Actually, first of all, I'm going to sort. And now let's get rid of all the unwanted ones. Okay, looks good. Now only we're only loading, my own plugins, not from local. That will save some time when we first launch the Lua language saver. And actually, I want to get rid of this file from the repository as well. So git ignore. Actually, I can do lazy git, then let's search for ignore, right? Yeah, ignore or exclude file. This is the one I want. Yep. And we have changed to git ignore. I'll add a commit. However, before that, I have to change the branch. Okay, now to what branch am I going to switch to? Is it this one? But this is with my changes. I don't want them because it fails all the tests. So I guess I'm gonna create a branch from this repository. Yeah, I don't know if I have the I don't know if I have the remote. Let's check. Yeah, I think this is the remote, and I believe this is the branch. Let's go to that. What's the last commit? 8 weeks ago. Damn, it's been a long time. More than almost 2 months. uh, wait. Okay. The module doesn't work when nvim is used. Wait, he has applied my changes. Now tests are failing, right? Huh. Hold on, let's see what are the changes we have. Okay, yeah. That's not good. You know what? I'm not going to pull. Or I can. Yeah, I'm not going to pull. So this is the last change he has made. These are the changes I have made. I don't want them because when I use penlight class, by the way, penlight. Hold on, I have to search for add the keyword Lua as well. This is a bunch of libraries. I have used this many years ago. Well, maybe 3 years ago or something like that. They have a bunch of Lua utils like um, lists, maps, and all that stuff. And from here, I have used class. Yeah, basically, this is a Lua file you can put into your application or whatever. If you're not going to get the entire penlight library. And this is basically a class. You can do double OP stuff in Lua. Well, you don't have to have this implementation. You can do it yourself. However, this is little nicer. If you want to like check the instance of a how do you say that? If you want to check instance of a class, if I don't know how to say that. Anyway, I think you get the idea. Where this instance is from. If you want to check then you can do those stuff as well. And when we are creating new instances, then it's little nicer as well. You don't have to like call new function. Instead you can call the class itself. Yeah, there are a bunch of things like that. I have this in nvim-java core repository, and I have used that here. So um, instead of this one right here, creating a simple object, I have added a class. And I think down here he had, yeah, this new function right here. We don't need that uh, because I'm using class. However, tests are not working after adding this, so that's why I'm going to not take the pull. All right, now I'm in the branch, right? Let's add this change as well. Ignore lua rc json from repo. All right, that's done. Now let's look into the changes we have. First of all, actually, let me go to one of my Java projects and Java demo application. And let's say we want to run Java runner run main. This is the command, I believe. And we can open up the run log toggle runner log. It looks like, okay, hold on. By the way, since we need to get the class paths, we have to wait until the language saver starts. When we send a request before it's, or rather when it's being started, it will wait for language saver to run. That's why it took some time to run the spring saver. And we have the command right here. You can see we're using Java. Class paths are added from the details we got from the JDTLS, and we should have the main class at the end. Yeah, here we have the main class at the end. Rest of the stuff is just class path stuff. All right, so it's working. Now I want to show you the issue we have with this approach. How do I stop? Java runner stop main. Already stopped. I guess I can just close the window. Now runner in here. So what is this? Set option is deprecated. Okay, I guess they have replaced this with vim window option sign column or whatever. Yeah, I think this is the one we should use. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, so this is the new API, this is the old one, but since we won't, I'm using nightly build, so this is probably available in stable release, so I'm not going to do any changes here. But the issue we have is vim UI select. Okay, now wait, hold on. Yeah, first of all, let me load nvim with clear, right? Is it clean or whatever? I don't remember. what is the flag? How to load Vim without plugins. Clean or clear or something like that. What is it? Clean. It's clean. I don't know why the auto completion is not working. Clean. All right. Now, if I do Lua Vim UI, then what? Let me do a help. Help Vim UI. So we have a bunch of UI components, not really components, but APIs. We can use. So for selecting stuff, we can pass items like this, right? Let's actually do a select. I hope this is not very complex. Okay, so this is the command we are going to use. Shit. What is it? Expected function got nil. Okay, we have to pass a callback function as well. Function and selection, I guess. Call it cell, and I'm going to print selection and end the function. Hopefully this will work. Yeah, this is the default UI we are getting, and this is blocking, meaning if I print something to the console, I don't know if I can do semicolon and print something after. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, we get the selection first. Notice we even though we have a callback function passed into the thing, this is blocking. This is totally blocking blocking the main thread. So if I select one, you can see tabs got the value tabs got returned or printed to the console by this statement right here, and right after that this print after statement got executed and it printed the value. As you can see, this is blocking. Now if I don't have any something like noise nvim stuff, noise nvim uis, uis like this, then this is going to work, because you can see in the callback function, in the callback function, he has assigned the value right here, and at the end he has returned the value. Now if this is truly asynchronous, then we will print just nil, because initially it's assigned nil. Then we are going to open up the UI. However, since this is asynchronous, Lua is not going to wait for this function to be called. Instead, it will return the value instantly. Then once the UI stuff is done, once the user has entered or selected a field, then only this function will be called. So yeah, this is an issue. This is something we have to fix. Now for asynchronous stuff, I have a repository called Lua async await. I don't remember the original. Yeah, it should be somewhere here. Yeah, this is the original project. However, this project does not include any error handling, but I think for my use case it's vital, because pretty much every request sent to the language server contains the same structure. The first parameter of the response is going to be the error. If it is nil, then there is no error. The second value is going to be the actual result we want if the command is successful. So there's no point me doing if conditions each and every time I'm sending a request and getting a response. So that error handling is there in this library. As you can see, um, workspace execute command, this is the command that we are going to execute in the language saver. In this case it's jdtls. That's the language saver for Java, created by Eclipse, I believe. And this is the command info. We can pass in a object, something like, let's say, get class paths. I think that's the one. Let me um, open up core project and get, let's look for class path. Where the hell is it? Class. Yeah. So command info is something like this. We're passing the uh, parameter as first parameter as resolve class path. Then we have to pass a main class as well. Project is, I believe that's optional. I think it's optional, but yeah, these are the information we are going to pass. Then as a response, or this, since this is RPC, no, yeah, since this is RPC, even though it's asynchronous, the callback function will be called and we will get the information. So yeah, here there is no point of doing a if condition each and every time, right? In my case. So what I have done is, if I want to run something asynchronous, I'm using coroutines. I have a video about coroutines. If you don't know, it's somewhere, I don't remember. Wait, coroutines. Yeah, this is the one. Coroutines. You can check that out. Where was I? Yeah, I'm using coroutines and custom handlers to get the response. If there is an error, it's going to yeah, you can add a catch function to which there will be passed, and you can handle it there. So that's the basic idea. So I have this library used everywhere pretty much, and I can use it here as well. But I don't know if I want to like kind of overcomplicate this. uh, should I? So if I want to use the library, then I have to obviously create an reusable function to do UI selects and make it kind of look like synchronous using coroutines. Should I do that? And I don't know. Just for fun, let's try that. And the next question would be, where am I going to do that? Should I do this in Java core project, or maybe I should keep all the UI stuff to the nvim-java project? We have utils, and let's do UI, right? UI do, and here actually let's open up runner here as well. Copy all this, and we're going to need a function. Okay, let's do UI fun, sorry, UI select, I guess, and let's move all this. Then we are going to need a module, right? Actually, I'm going to call this, oh shit, I'm going to call this capital M and move all this. Right, now config name. What is config name? Config names. Looks like he's creating a table. Config names. Yeah, from all the configurations, config name. Okay, whatever that means, I'm gonna take that. Hold on. Values. Let's take values and return the value, right? However, we have to make this a proper asynchronous one. So for that, I don't even remember how to use this library. Let's see. Oh, let's open up core. We have this asynchronous added as a file to the Java core project. And seriously, I don't remember. Let's check. Let's check. Let's go to ls clients, Java JDT ls clients, maybe in the top of the file. Yep, I think these two functions in the yeah, these two lines is are what we are going to need. There is await, and how do I use that? Yep, we have to wrap the entire thing with await. This is like a promise, and to that function, you know, when you write promise in JavaScript, um, you, let's say you want to you want to promise if I set timeout, right? I can create a new function wait, then I can take the timeout number, right? This was TypeScript, but this is JavaScript, so I can return new promise. We are going to get response as reject. Sorry, not response, resolve and reject. However, reject is not something we are going to need. And here we can call set timeout with res handler, and we can pass in the timeout we took from took as a parameter, take as a parameter. So this is pretty much what we do here as well. We're going to get the callback, and we are passing the callback to the actual asynchronous function we want to call. All right. Yeah, let's go back here. Let's manipulate await, and to which hold on. Yeah, this is going to be a function, and it's going to automatically pass a callback function. So inside here, I'm going to move the UI call into the function. In here, we are not going to pass in a callback function. Instead, I'm going to pass in the function got from await. Now this is handled by coroutines. So when we first call UI select, it's going to call this await, and it will pause the coroutine, meaning it will hold the thread until this callback is called, and once this is called, it's going to resume the thread. It's going to be something like that. Okay, now in the runner, I think actually what I can do is I can make this just select, and so this is the existing function we have, and the question is, how do I call this? Since this is wrapped in a synchronous block, I don't think I have to do anything else other than calling the function and get the return. And by the way, yeah, if I don't know if I have any examples of that. Yeah, when we are calling a synchronous or wrapped call, we are going to get the value passed into the callback. In this case, it's going to be the selected value that's going to be passed into the callback. When we want to access that, we can just assign the return value. That's how it's working. So first of all, I'm going to comment this, and let's import the file, right? Local UI require Java utils UI. That's done. Here we are going to UI select, then we should pass in the values. In this case, it's going to be config names, right? And we can get the value local selected. I really hope this is working. I don't know what happened when we cancel the thing. But for now, this is good enough, I guess. Let's do a print as well. Selected. I'll add some stupid characters just to find the print statement easily. And let's try this actually. But we need to have multiple main classes, right? Yeah, I think so. Here, I'm going to create another class. Just call demo. Open this up, paste everything instead of class should be demo. And let's try actually close and reopen to make sure everything is up to date, all the modules, then I think I have to open the file as a okay. Now let's JavaRunner run main. Yep, we get the selection, and hopefully nope. What's the issue? Failed run, error handler CB. What? Huh. I think just to figure out what's going on here. Oh, I see. So here I think the issue is using the wait handler but in UI I don't think it's passing a error as the first parameter. In this case this is not the one I want. Wait width, this is not the core. Yeah, here we go. Yes. So as you can see, we are doing coroutine yield and we are considering the first parameter as the error, but this is not what we want. I think this is the one we want. So let's see. I just won't wait, I believe. Let's try again and let's add. So we have two classes. Let's try again. Demo, it's nil. Ah shit, why is it nil? Good question. Why is it nil? I mean, this is obviously blocking, right? Or is it? Get config run app. Let's see where this is being used. Apparently nowhere. So let's open up plugin commands, run runner built-in run app. Let's go here and let's go to this one. Okay, so this is the function called by the command. What is this? If not build runner. Okay, this is like a singleton, you know. If the instance does not exist, then you'll create a new instance. That singleton, once that's there, it's going to call run app. However, yeah, this one right here. However, the issue is this is not actually, this is wrapped in asynchronous function. Then run API new run app. Run API new. What is built-in main runner and run API? This is built-in main runner. Okay. Is open. So this is related to UI. Built-in main runner. Run app. Self stop. It's creating a buffer, then nvim buff call. What is this? Setup buffer, whatever that is. Then it's going to open a terminal. Channel send, we are going to send the input, I guess. Yeah, basically we have a bunch of stuff related to UI and terminal, all that nonsense, I guess. Now, what is run API? Run API is this one. Get config, that's I think the one who's interacting with um, JTLS. Run API get config. And we have run app function, which actually runs the thing, I guess. Okay, now let's go back to the first place. Here, this is the built-in runner. Okay, and built-in runner run app. Is it? Hold on, I'm so confused. m.run app. What is this? So in here we have run API, and who's using this? What? There are two APIs. What the hell? Run a run app and whatever this is. What's the difference? Run a run app. Yeah, the first one we don't have anywhere used, it seems. So this one is not used, right? But built-in we have used. Built-in is I think I'm officially confused. But either way, if we are using this API, then run API, sorry, run API. Then no, actually it's inside get config. Get config is being used inside run app. Then why the hell do I have to return something? I wonder. Await call. Do I have to return anything? Why am I getting nil? Anyway, I'm going to pass a callback function, selected and callback selected here. At the same time, I will print the selected value is selected. Okay, now let's try again. Yep, we are definitely getting the value, but for some reason it's not correctly returned. Mhm. Run APIs, run API. Let's make sure this is the one that's getting executed. So yeah. Wait, I was too fast. I had to wait till Yeah, that's the actually that's the function we are that's being executed, and it's wrapped inside async. So this should work. Run API, run API. Confused why it's not working. Git config. Oh shit, I'm not returning the selected value now. Yeah, but selected should not be nil. Um, what is wrong? If we check the order, first it has selected value is demo. Selected value is this is printed. Um, then after that, this is printed, right? Yep. Now the order is correct. For some reason, this is not returned. Why would that be the case? Do I have to return? I think so. Yeah, wait, without the handler. Even I don't remember the library I created. Uh, it was quite complex. That's why I can't, recall how the API should be used. But um, let's check. So we are calling the callback, but we we do wrap. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's try one more time. Yep, you have written that actually. So the return await has to be returned. I don't remember why I have to return that, but uh, why do I have to return that? I actually don't remember. It was kind of complex. Core handling core routines, into any number of depth. It's kind of complex. It makes sense when I created that, but right now I don't remember anything. So, but this is working. Um, Actually, we can return the selected value. However, I have to check what happened if I, cancel the thing. Let's actually keep the print statement. Oops. Keep the print statement and return selected. And if I do control C or escape, not escape, control C, okay, that's nil. If it is nil, is it handled correctly? Let's see. Here config, yeah, if the config is nil, then it's going to just return. Yeah, I think that's correctly handled, so I don't need any of these now. Call back. uh This looks good, right? Here actually I have to take the prompt as a parameter. So prompt, and where am I calling this? UI dot select. I'm going to pass that as a parameter, and this should be prompt. Okay. I think this is private property enrich config coming from that. Let me check. Actually, this is not related to it, so I'm just gonna ignore that. nvim, wait till the language server is started, and let's do run main, and let's do demo. Oh shit. Attempt to index local config a string value. Runner 191. Oh, okay. Now we no longer need this. What is this? This is a comment. Remove that. Now selected value is a string. We select a main class. However, that's not what we want. We want the config, so we have to index config lookup. I believe, yeah, is going to fill the config lookup. And here I can do, I think, selected. Maybe I can call this selected config. Yep. Now, hopefully, run main demo. That's working. Okay. Now let's run main, but this time we are going to run the first one. But yeah, we can run only one thing at a time, ne? Yeah, I think so. But let's print something to the console just to make sure. Demo stars. I'm gonna copy the same thing and do same here instead. Oh shit. How to make these double quotes, and here demo 1. Let's go back here. Demo 2. Okay, and let's stop main. Then let's run the first. It should print demo 1. Nope, let me close. What we can actually do is just comment this line out and this as well. Run main demo should print, yep, demo 2 like this. And if we run the other one, it should print demo 1 like this. Okay, now everything is working as expected, I believe. Java code app undefined type. But other than that, I don't think we have any issues. I don't know if I should replace this. Big W is probably available in a stable as well. Let me check. How do I do that? Next shell dash p neovim. This is going to get the stable one, but I'm on nightly. This is going to take a long time, I guess. Should I include? Here's the thing with Nix. I can't see the progress kind of. Actually, this is only for Nix shell, I believe. But when you do system upgrade or whatever, then I believe, yeah, that's done. I believe, how do I get the version nvim version, and this, damn, 9.4. I think the stable is 9.5, but anyway, this works. Vim window options, this is definitely available, so I can replace this. Vim window options, and we can pass the, oh shit, self win, right? Number is equal to false. Same way I can do relative number and set it to false, and sign column is also, that's string, no. Actually, let me check. Lua equal vim window option and sign column. Yeah, that's a string. So I think this looks good. We have a bunch of private methods, and probably this is missing as well. Probably I made it java dash core dot app. I don't remember. Let's actually check. See that. Wait, hold on. This is Java core. Why does it say Java core? Java code app. We don't even have. Okay, hold on. This is the one. Java DApp API setup. Java DApp API setup. Shouldn't this be the one? This should be typed, right? Where am I using this? What the hell? Am I not using this? We have self tap get tap config. Yeah, that's probably the correct type. All right. Now we can commit these changes. Handle async UI when selecting the class, main class. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to create a repository in my personal account, I guess. Or is actually I don't have to do that because this is my I'm the owner of the organization, so I can just create a branch in any repository and push whatever I want. But just to show you, I'll just create. I guess I'm going to create a fork if I don't have that already. I don't have that, so create a fork and actually, do I have? Hold on. Wait, I do already have a existing PR. Um, what am I going to do with this feature on a application? This is obviously not. This is pretty much useless, right? So I'm going to close this PR. And I guess I'm going to create a new branch as well. So I don't need this stupid branch anymore. Oh yeah. Now let's copy the URL of my repository. I just forked. No, this is under my account, not the organization. Organization is nvim-java. This is the original repository. I took a fork, so it's under my name, under my profile. And this is how you would contribute to open source project. If you don't know, get a fork, do some changes, then a button will appear here magically when you push some changes to your repository to contribute to the original repository. And you should have the link, link fork link to the original repository. All right, so now I'm going to add git remote. um, I'm going to call this add my java, sorry, my nvim java, then the URL. Now we have the remote repository linked or added as a remote. Now I think we can push git push remote is my nvim-java, and the branch I want to push is runner, whatever the branch I'm on right now, right? And if I want to push this to main, I can just do main here. Otherwise, this will create a new branch with the same name, with the same name in the remote repository as well. Okay. Hopefully, we should see some changes here. That is pushed. Hold on, I forgot to run tests. Make test. Passing. Nice. Okay, cool. It's hanged once again. Oh my god, bro. Oh, so annoying. Now the issue is, I don't know at what point it got hanged. Oh, what test? Ah, shit. Uh, let's try to run one test at a time. Can I do that? Make file. I'm using this. Test file. Then we can pass the path. um test dir prepare config. How do I pass in the actual test? Directory test plan. Okay. So capital U prepare config, that's going to load all the plugins we want. Test dir, I believe. What is test config? Now, prepare. Yeah, prepare is going to install all this stuff we need. Test config is going to add them to the runtime path. And I believe these are options. But how do I pass in an actual test? That I'm not sure. Test. You know what? I'm just going to comment out tests runner API. So let's comment all of them. And let's go to Java and make test. Okay, everything is passing. Let's uncomment one by one. Okay, that's done, not hanged. That's done. Wait, what? Test error end. Oh, now that's hanged. Okay. How many tests? Hold on. Let me comment this out and run again. That's hanged. So that's done. Okay. So definitely this one right here. Yep. Now let's see. Mock select config to run a get config. But how the hell did you? Oh, you're basically setting UI select. That's how. Okay. Take in bunch of stuff. Call back at the end. Wait. UI. Select options callback. Yeah, that's correct. Now I'm going to comment all this. Yep. Definitely the issue is here when selecting. Uh, what can we do? What can we do? Is it because I'm using coroutines? I wonder if I wrap all this with an asynchronous block, then it would work. When you run it, it will post the coroutine, but it seems it's not good going to get resumed. Why is that? Is it because this callback right here? But yeah, I kind of want to try a synchronous block. Uh, yeah, something like this. Um, yeah. Then let's move. Actually, we'll move all this into the function, and just run is enough. One failed. Tab config not found. Uh, let's print config. Looks like it's not printing the console log even. Attempt to call global unil value. Oh shit. What? What happened? I have not imported that, am I? Yeah, I have not imported that. Nice. Okay. Where were we? Yep. All good. Tests are passing. And now that's good. Oops. This is the only UI select. Then what the hell is wrong now? So annoying. Nope. Man. Okay, this is the function. Yep. Let's see. Revert API. What's wrong? Grafana is let's find the exact statement. What the hell is this? Setup buffer. Let's search. Okay, auto group clear. That's all. If that's all, why is this hanging? We had an unexpected error. Wait, did I not fix the issue previously? Maybe I haven't. No, I have. Oops. Just interrupted. So up to this point it's working, right? But with an error. What the hell is this? We had an unexpected error. What's wrong? Dep config not found. Bro. I have literally commented the entire thing and I have still there is an error still. Dep config not found. Okay, that's not. I don't know why this is not a failure. Is that something expected? I kind of love that. So let me just stash this. Hold on. What do I have here? I'm gonna remove this and stash. Test changes, and let's go back to his commit and let's try to run the tests. Make test. Dep config not found. That's I believe expected, I guess, right? Found data. I really hope this is expected. So yeah. Let's go back to the branch and let's reapply changes. So I'm not going to worry about this. Okay. Let's comment this out and see if it's working. Nope. Make test. Still hangs. Wait, hold on, this is not the function. Ah, shit. It's called this is the one. Okay, now here it's calling auto cmd, doesn't matter, get current win. Not a big deal, I guess. And it's definitely this statement right here. If I comment everything out, then it should be an error. Still hangs. Still hangs. Still hangs. Still hangs. What the hell, it's literally an empty function right there. Still hangs. Still hangs. Okay, I'm kind of going crazy right now. What the hell? I mean, you see what I'm dealing with? So annoying. Now it's this mock vim true. Hmm. That's strange. Why did it work previously? Why did it work previously? Hmm. Why are you setting it to true? What if I remove this? And shit. You know what? I'm just going to try the same thing I did earlier. So wrap it by async. Hopefully it will work. If not, I'm screwed. Ah shit. I'm screwed. At this point I don't know if I shit. I mean, the feature is working. If tests are blocking, then nothing I can do, I guess. uh so annoying. Yeah, I don't have time to waste on this, so I'm just going to comment out these tests. uh yeah, something about this mock. Let's add a new test. It and yeah, that's definitely, yeah, something wrong about this mock function. And if I comment this out, it's working. Yep, that is something we have to figure out maybe later. For now, I'm just going to comment these and discard these changes, and we only did comment out comment out. Is this how you write hang? Just 1G. Git push. Okay, now let's, what the hell? Did I push to something else? Some other. Oh, the branch. I was so confused. This is the branch. So yeah, we have this. Then we have the new commits. I think we should have two commits. Three, yeah. Yeah, these three commits are new. So here I'm going to contribute to the original project. So I can open a pull request, and base repository is this. I'm going to merge it to main. um yeah, feature page APIs to run um application. Okay, this is good enough, I guess. Then before committing, let's try, debugging and stuff like that. uh Hold on, how do I put it? Let's put a debug point and run. This is the demo application file, so yeah, it got stopped. That's good. Yep, that's good. Now let's go to some tests. um yeah, this one. debug point here, debug point here, and Java test debug current class. Oh no. Wait. That what the hell is going on? Can't even see anything. Oh god. Okay, first of all, let's go to the original commit and see if we got the same behavior. Close and reopen. Test. The hell is wrong now? Uh, can't even see anything, man. View test results. Results nil value. Okay, this is definitely not running, and I don't know why. Gradle. You know what, I'm going to reset everything. Git reset and git clean df git clean. And here assert equals to okay, let's try now. Actually, let's put a debug point here and here and run current class. Wait, what? Starting that bit is configured. That's strange. Hold on. Just to check, I'm going to switch to main branch. Git pull. Okay. Let me actually maybe remove cache. Yeah. JDTLS, remove everything, and vim, remove everything. Now let's launch NeoVim. Please work. That is configured. Oh, please. Yeah. Probably cache. Actually, I have to double check with the latest. So let's go to runner, close out. Once again, I'm going to stop this thing, and let's remove cache once again. nvim jdtls remove. Oops. Then jdtls. Yeah, everything is cleaned. Now we'll relaunch the debug point, put another debug point, and bam. Okay, looks good. Finally, we can do merge, create PR. Let's wait for these stuff run. Let's make a comment here. Um, uh, where was it? Where was it? In tests, runner. I'll leave a comment for the original author of the feature, so he can maybe I after multiple attempts to fix tests, I decided to comment them out. For some reason, they hang at a following mock statement. Not sure why. Maybe you can check that since you have more experience in testing new Vim stuff. Okay, everything is passed. I'm gonna leave the comment, and looks like we have, yeah, I have to merge it. So let's merge with the main branch. Okay, it's out. What do you have? 8 stuff to push. Including the changes in the original thing, right? But I'm gonna push at the same time. I'm gonna test one more time to see if everything is working. uh, what am I doing? Not this one. Java demo application at the debug point. Test. That's working. One thing I don't know is how to stop this damn thing. For some reason this UI will not go away. Probably there's a shortcut, but I don't know that. um Not run debug current class. Okay, fine. Just to make sure, let's remove the cache one more time. nvim, let's delete. Cool. Oh shit. Okay, nice. Refresh. Refresh. The PR should be automatically updated, I believe, with the um with the merge commit. Is it not? Wait. Able to merge. All right. All right. Now we can squash and merge. I don't think we need all this nonsense, right? Now I'm going to keep this. I don't want to remove this. I want to have the original credit for um, this person right here, because he's the one who did everything. Add API to run application. And built in main runner, use terminal instance. In this command, yeah, I don't need this either. Maybe I don't need this too, because yeah. All right, I'm gonna accept this. Hopefully the credit will be there. That would be weird if not. To be honest, I haven't done something like this, so I'm not quite sure how release place is working at this point. But yeah, anyway, let's do this. And hopefully he's definitely a contributor. Okay, nice. Pretty much everyone is added here, I guess. I don't know why my face is there. I just I don't know. Anyway, what is failing? Yeah, this stupid Vim doc is failing. I don't know why. Once again, I don't have time. Create PR. Where is there a I don't know. I'm just gonna ignore that for now. Yay. We have a new um we have a new feature. Actually should apologize for the time it took for this to be implemented. And we have release place. Yeah. So when a new feature or features added, it's going to automatically create a release please job. So we can have a official release version. Um but since that's being tested, I oh, okay. Okay, finally I'm done. Probably, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Maybe in future videos, let's take some other issues and let's try to fix them. Yeah, now you can run applications using nvim-java. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.